my lovelies, how's it going? I thought I would pop this video up a day early to wish you all a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, or just Happy Thursday. And also because I have been sent, very kindly, a gift that I really want to open with you guys. Plus there is going to be a giveaway as a thank you for all of your support this year. So who is this from? I mean, you've probably already seen in the title that it's from Staedtler, who make FIMO clay. And if you've been here a while, you'll know that I use that all the time. But confession time, I've been pronouncing it FIMO for nearly a year on this channel. But you were all too nice to tell me that I've been saying it wrong. It's pronounced FIMO, but I've actually been calling it FIMO for like 10 years because I used it before the YouTube channel. So it's really, really stuck in there. I'm probably gonna relapse, and I do apologize if I do. Anyway, grab yourself a cuppa and let's see what we got. Okay, so here is the box, some fluff on it. Now I have got Lily and James here with me to help me unbox this. Can you say hi?
Hi!
Because it is half term and Elliot's away, so it's gonna be chaotic, but the more the merrier, right guys?
And Tails is here.
Oh, and Tails is here as well, so there's 4 of us. James, do you want to peel it there up to here and then Lily go the rest of the way? Okay, now Lily, you and Tails the rest of the way.
I got a free piece of tape.
You can have that, keep it. Do what you wish with it.
No.
I'm excited.
Yeah. What's that?
Oh guys, there's a note. Let's just cover up the address. There we go.
Hi Emma, we hope you enjoy using these FIMO packs. Let me know if you need anything else. Smiley face. All the best.
Jodie at Staedtler UK. So Jodie was a really nice lady at Staedtler that I was talking to on the emails, and she has put all of this together. So this is a rolling pin, which is much better than the one that Mummy's got at the minute.
It looks like it has water in.
It does, doesn't it? It looks like ice or something.
Can I eat it?
Probably not.
Me thirsty.
Saying that this looks like water made you thirsty. I've got a cup of tea over there. Let me check it's not too hot. It's a bit hot, so be careful, but it's okay. Let's compare it to what Mummy was using. This is like solid, decent rolling pin. Right, James, do you want to pick another thing out? Right, what's this? What do you reckon that is? Should we have a look? Let's read it. Sanding sponges. So that helps you get all of the rough edges off your work. It can also help you get, you know, if you get little bits of fluff stuck to your polymer clay projects, but you don't want to paint them. This can help you sand it off after it's been baked. Yeah, I've just been using Daddy's sandpaper out of the shed. So I guess you could cut them into smaller pieces. So yeah, that's gonna be helpful. Let's find all of the little packs.
Oh, there's ones with glitter on. Whoa, but I love glitter. Yellow and orange.
Wow, should we put them in rainbow order? That's FIMO effect. So it's got like
the
sparkles.
ones with sparkles in.
Editing Emma here, guys. I was just exiting the shed and turned all the lights off and just noticed. How cool is that? Okay, back to the video. She's giving me pastels and pink.
Wait, I like the pastels. Different. Should we make a tower?
Okay, go on then, make a tower. FIMO tower.
Ow.
Oh, sorry, did I get your toe?
No.
Woo.
Stressful.
Oh,
No, we can fix it. Last one. It's taller than Tails.
Tails, nudge it over. Oh.
Tails.
I think all of this clay is going to keep Mummy busy for like 3 years. What else have we got?
There's these ones.
So this is, I've not heard of this one. I wonder if it's like foam clay or...
Oh my god, that's really light. Let me feel this one.
I mean, that's 350 grams, that's 250 grams. I'm intrigued. And then this one is wood effect. So you can make things that actually look like wooden ornaments.
You can make a wood table. Or maybe you could make a wooden house.
I'm getting loads of video ideas.
Okay.
We're definitely not going to be able to use all of these in one video.
Look. Tools. This is the next.
Some actually decent tools.
That actually work.
So this one is some kind of cutting tool by the looks of it.
Ooh.
If you want to do these kind of like really intricate designs. I've not really tried doing
I want to do
like
one of them. Next one. Look at this. Look at those, guys.
So is this different to effect? I'm curious.
It's like sparkles.
Oh, it comes in like a... Oh, okay.
What?
Oh, it comes in like blocks like that, look.
Next one.
And that looks like kind of the same thing, but it's brilliant colours. This is FIMO Kids. So I wonder if this is actually...
Maybe we could use them.
It looks a bit like plasticine, doesn't it? Oh, okay. So it's not actually ridgy like that.
Not
Oh no, it is. It is on the back.
Wait, let me feel.
It's got ridges on the back.
And this is the sparkly pack.
Should we look?
Yeah. Whoa. Wait.
Ooh. Oh, these look like fun colours.
I like the gold.
James is fully sitting on the desk now. Now this one has been catching my eye, I've got to say. Dreamy Pets.
There's unicorns too.
Let's see what we've got. So we've got unicorns.
Unicorn.
Bees.
Yellow.
Happy bees.
Butterfly.
And butterflies.
I like the...
Now I reckon that they would be good for springtime.
We're going...
We can't do all of this today, can we? So I'm thinking, why don't we do one of these kids kits today, and we can save the other things for another day.
Can I do
And
this
I'm
one?
thinking this one because it's got the stars, it's got the sparkle of like this time of year. So let's put everything else away. Now there's something that we need to say to somebody, isn't there?
Thank you.
A massive thank you to Jodie because this is incredibly generous.
Thank you, Jodie.
Okay, let's see what we've got inside as like a strip to open it.
And there's this.
Oh yeah, that's so that if it was in a shop, they could hang it up on display.
That's cool.
Ooh!
Look, there's pillows. I love this.
Oh, so you can make like a little scene for them.
Can I cut them out later for me?
Yeah, of course you can.
Okay.
Let's see what else is inside.
This is really cool. This is really cool. There's a little book.
Oh, hang on a minute, we've got stickers as well.
Oh my god.
How cool is that?
Wait, Mummy, it tells you how to make them.
Oh, okay, let's have a look at that then. That looks like the grown-ups instructions there.
Oh, it's a bear holding a honey pot.
Oh, yes, it's holding a honey
I thought it
pot.
was pancakes.
Yeah, I can see both. Maybe it's honey pancakes.
Can I cut it?
Oh, it's even telling you, look, how many strips to use. So you want about 2.5 strips for the head.
This is really good.
Oh, and it's saying that you're going to need the choppy tool.
I'll get the choppy tool.
So James, you want to do the panda?
Yeah, I'll do the bunny. Oh wait, wait. That came with the.
What? Did it?
It came in here.
It did.
Oh.
It did come with a choppy tool. We don't need those. So we've got everything we need. Apart from an oven. But I mean, you can't expect them to put that in.
We're going to make a panda.
You see there's a blue line. You just go under there. And then
I did the panda like this. I did it.
you need 2.5 strips.
So hard.
I would say that this is like FIMO soft.
Roll.
You just got to kind of warm it up in your hands. 2.5. We just need 1 strip, it says,
Boom.
to make his feet. Say put him on there, look, and then he'll be ready for the oven.
Stay.
Stay. What are you going to call your panda?
Panda.
Straight down the middle.
Wait.
It looks like licorice. You need to do a little notch to make his feet,
So like that?
so we can fold his feet up.
Yeah.
I'll do one and then you can do the other. Kind of like that, like a little foot.
Oh.
Yeah?
Okay. I need to squish in. It needs a little bit of space in the middle for the start.
So it says that we need half a yellow, which I've already been squidging, and then it wants you to flatten it out into a pancake. For the young ones, are definitely going to need some help from grown-ups with some of these.
Onto the panda.
Goes on his lap. Then we've got to do his arms.
1
stick. Do you want to get 1 stick? Now, what I love about this kit is that it's encouraging us to use the actual colours that we need, because Mummy quite often just uses white clay and then paints it. Maybe too long.
Just squish it.
He's going to have quite chunky arms, doesn't he? Does he have quite chunky arms? He does have quite chunky arms.
Right there.
Yep, good job.
Just needs to squish it a bit. There. It looks like he's eating it.
So we just need tiny bits now.
Like that. Is that it?
Yep, halfway.
Like right there. Do we have to squish it?
Yes, we make little pancakes.
Little. Bit too big. Like this. Just need to, do the.
Ah, and a little nose.
Tiny.
And that's your panda all done, ready for the oven. Right, thank you very much, James.
Bye.
Have you had fun?
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got 2 left, and we're gonna do a bit of teamwork on it, aren't we?
Says we need 2.
Let's get conditioning.
Let me just roll it out. Like Mummy did. I like to roll stuff up like this. Cinnamon roll.
Oh yeah. I think even the older kids really, because your Lily's 10, James is 7. Both have needed help with conditioning. I think you could do it, couldn't you? But do you think you'd want to?
I probably would, because I kind of like squishing it. You know?
Yeah, it just takes a bit of patience. It's not that it's impossible for you to do. It's that it requires a lot of patience.
It's stretchy.
Yeah, I think that one's definitely ready. And obviously, if it's summertime or if you're in a warmer climate, it's going to condition faster, isn't it?
Put it in the sun and go. Ah.
Yeah. Or you could put it on a warm hot water bottle for a little bit first. But this is a lot softer than some of the varieties of polymer clay. In some ways it's nice that you need a grown-up's help though, isn't it? Because then you can actually spend some time together.
I keep on thinking we're making a bunny.
You just must associate pink with bunnies for some reason rather than bears.
No, it's just...
Neither are actually pink. Unless they have a shave.
I like rolling honey pots. Honey pot.
You need to make a sausage and then cut it right in the middle. They've put it like one sort of up in its mouth. Yours is defending its honey.
My honey.
My honey.
In case the panda tries to steal it.
Mine.
Mine. Peach. Hey look, it makes the perfect A shapes anyways.
Yes, it does. They teach you little techniques. Looking good.
Can I give it a white shine in its eyes?
Yeah, of course you can.
There we go. That's cute.
Yeah, and the nose. And you're done. And that one is Lily's. Cute little bear with honey pot.
They're friends.
Yeah. Okay, we went through all the instructions and we have prepped all of the pieces to make the rabbit. Lily is now going to construct and build. Okay, so while these 3 go in the oven, I think it's time for
Character of the week.
Character of the week. Each week I'll create a brand new character inspired by whatever I'm working on. And today's character is, well, we've actually got another duo, Hubert and Rainbow. Unlike his regular panda cousins, Hubert was born tiny and technicolor. Living with other pandas was proving downright hazardous, as he was nearly sat on several times a day. He was swiftly scooped up by the highly maternal Rainbow. She decided to raise him as her own in her underground, rainbow merch-filled home, completely oblivious to the fact that Hubert would eventually get a growth spurt and would one day reach average panda size. So she is definitely going to need to start saving for a burrow extension very soon. Okay, so now it is time for the giveaway. If you would like a chance to win one of these FIMO Dreamy Pets Kits, just pop any star-related emoji in the comments. You can find more giveaway info like the closing dates in the description, and I will be taking next week off with my kids. So I hope you have a lovely holiday season, and I shall see you next year. Bye!